Hello friends, in the consequence of online studies through this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter Book Review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. So in this book, in this chapter, we haven't read the whole book. We haven't read the book Swami and Friends, but we have seen only its review. So my dear friends, to read the book and to review the book, both are very different tasks. In this video, we will discuss about the tips for reading, for having review of the book. So, in these tips, we will discuss under two headings. First one is skimming and second one will be scanning. So in skimming, we will see these points. Before that, I want to tell you what is skimming. Skimming is actually to have a glance through the book. If you are going to read a book for review, you have to know that you should know about these contents, what is the title or text or the content. For what written material you are going to review, you should know what is the title and what is the text and what are its contents. Secondly, you should know about what exactly is to be read. In the book, there are lots of written contents to explain the material, explain the theme, explain the topic, but you have to choose the selective content for useful for your review. You should know what should be exactly to be read. What support, thirdly, what support or related resources, references help is to be generated or found. Through the book, you should know, if you have read the book for review, you should know that which type of support can be generated from the content. Thereafter, what will you search to get complete details, associated ideas? If you have taken a glance through the book, thereafter you should know which type of details and which type of associated ideas you can take from the book, and another sources, what another sources you have to support, another sources can support you. So you should know that what will you search to get complete details and associated ideas. For example, for the book review of Swami and Friends, you have to go through the creations of R.K. Narayan, not by the creations of APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to know more about the book, more about the writer and theme, you have to go through particular that direction, not in other direction. Then in this way you can find out the direction where you have to go to get more details about the book and about the content. Last one, use technology if required, web, e-books, gadgets to correlate the content that is read. My dear friends, nowadays it is very well in practice that if you need to know a meaning of a word, you never look towards your teacher. In fact, you go to your Android phone, smartphones, and you search from the dictionary the meaning of the word and you can get it easily. In this way, if you want to read much more about that content what you are going to review, you can search with the help of the technologies by using e-books, web and gadgets. So all these things, what you are going to know much more about the book, you can conclude from the review of the book. So these were the points, these were the tips for skimming the reading for review. Let us now discuss about the scanning. So after skimming, we will see scanning. Scanning, this word is widely used in this period of technology, and you know very well what is scanning. If you are going to scan any figure or any picture, the equipment captures that into that picture within it, and thereafter it modified it and display according to the equipment. So my dear friend, in book review, what is the role of scanning? Let us see why we should read any book for review in scanning perspective. So in first, look up for meanings of related words, phrases, novels and ideas. My dear friends, if you are going to review the book, you should thoroughly see the words and phrases and their related meanings, because without knowing the meaning of the words you are reading, you cannot understand the book or any text what you are reading. So you have to know the meanings of related words and phrases and the ideas what is dealt into the text. Secondly, find exact associations or interrelationship of words. This is part of vocabulary. You are reading the book, then you should know the relationship of words and phrases and their meanings too. Means you should know adjective, noun, pronoun, preposition, what they are. In this way you can analyze the language, whether it is complex or it is simple. That's why you should go through the associations of interrelationship of the words. Thereafter you should check in the start and finish time while reading. If you are reading, then you should check from where you have started and where you have stopped reading, and what is the timeline during all these readings. It is which period is mentioned there and what you have seen there. Thereafter, identify the exact sequence of ideas and occurrence of events. The events mentioned in the text, their occurrence, their proper sequence must be known to you, so that you can arrange the ideas, so that you can correlate the ideas. And at the last, you should know about the technology, use of technology, what we have already seen in the skimming. To know, if you want to know much more further knowledge about the particular topic what you are reading for review, you can use the technology to acquire that knowledge. So my dear friends, these were the tips to review the book, review any content. Use these tips and do your project works. You are given into your textbook in the page number 73. I hope now by using these tips you can complete this activity, you can complete this project. So all the best for this. Have a nice day.